Okay, here's what happens when I have the auto lights on for regular driving, and I put it in gear, and this is the image that I have. Don't have any problem really with flickering or anything like that, but when I do turn on the lights, you know, this is like daytime driving lights, you can see that there's a little problem with the focus or whatever. I think the LEDs are set back too far forward. Anyway, here's turning on the lights, and that's the low beam, and you can see it's flickering, and occasionally the light will, one of the lights will turn off. I'm going to put it in park right now, like that. I don't know if it's going to do it now, but there goes one light right there. Okay, and then it comes back on. Doesn't matter if it's in park or if it's in drive. You can see it's flickering. That one goes off. Sometimes the other one will go off, and then it'll come back on, that sort of thing. And the other problem is that both of these LEDs, both the high beam and the low beam lights, should stay on to fill. There you go. It's now they're going crazy here with the flickering on and off and turning on and off. And then now I'm going to put the high beams on. You're going to see a hollow spot in where the lights are there. Right where the low beam should be pointed there is a dark spot, and the low beam should actually be on to fill in that gap on the thing. I don't know if they are on halogens or if the halogen lights are a little bit longer in length, and so they cover a bigger area with the focus. These are factory lenses in the my 2007, and they're nice and clear, but this is what I've got here. I didn't have this problem with the halogens. They were full coverage, no dark spots. So here's the high beams. I've had it where they've shut off completely. Both of them have shut off completely when I went down the road. Here's the low beams. Okay. And very intermittent, unpredictable. Can't, it's kind of unacceptable for the, there's some flickering there going on. And battery's charged, everything is good. There should be no problem. Never had this problem with halogen lights. And now I'm going to put it into gear, and you'll see and yeah, it's going on and off. I don't know if it can sit there and park, and it'll do the on and off too. And now I'm going to turn the lights off, so it's in highway driving mode there. Again, it doesn't have any effect. It doesn't turn off, it doesn't flicker, doesn't seem to flicker, but you have those dead spots in the middle, right in the middle of the front of the car. So not good at all.